Secretary Livestock, Assalamu Alaikum. I am grateful to the Chief Guest for having accepted our invitation to preside this inaugural session of the National Poultry Congress and Exhibition 2009, and to the participants of the Congress for taking this opportunity to share their knowledge and expertise with us and all the visitors of this event. It is my proud privilege to welcome you all, individually and collectively, on behalf of Pakistan Poultry Association and the Organizing Committee of the National Poultry Congress and Exhibition 2009 to this event. Pakistan is presently passing through probably the most difficult times in the history of its existence. There are many reasons behind our present predicament and the multiple challenges that we face today. Our common concern and primary objective is to find a way in these trying times of power shortages, ever-shrinking industrial and commercial activities, and skyrocketing inflation coupled with progressively increasing unemployment. To ensure this availability of commercial poultry farm produce at affordable prices to our protein deficient masses, the Pakistan Poultry Association is the national forum of the poultry industry in Pakistan. Its organizational setup begins at the grassroots level of villages in the remotest areas of Pakistan and spreads through small towns and cities before finally maturing into a national platform of our poultry industry. Its members consist of people belonging to all areas of activity that contribute directly or indirectly to the promotion of the poultry industry. This forum is ideally equipped to project the potential of the poultry industry, highlight the impediments to its growth, coordinate with agricultural universities, research institutions, foreign manufacturing of feed inputs and equipments, feed mills and poultry farmers to disseminate information regarding the latest cost-effective technology. This platform should also be used to effectively liaise with the government for formulation of policies that facilitate development of the poultry sector on scientific lines and ensures availability of affordable farm produce. It is a worthwhile goal. Let us work together to achieve it. Thank you very much.
पोल्ट्री इंडस्ट्री की ये है कि इसने गोश्त, बकरे के गोश्त और बीफ को एक कंट्रोल में रखा हुआ है और लोगों की ज़रूरियात जो वाइट मीट की सूरत में डॉक्टर्स रेकमेंड करते हैं उसका एक आसान हसूल का जरिया बना हुआ है। इस सालाना कांग्रेस के हवाले से मैं बात करता रह जाऊँ तो ये कांग्रेस हम हर साल मुनक़िद करते हैं ताकि फार्मर्स को दुनिया में जो जदीद टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलप कर रही है या हमारे फार्मर्स डॉक्टर्स के साथ और डॉक्टर्स और दूसरी इंडस्ट्री के दूसरे जो सीनियर लोग हैं उनके साथ इंटरेक्शन करते हुए अपनी मालूमात को शेयर करते हैं और मालूमात के शेयर करने से न सिर्फ ये फ़ायदा होता है कि वो अपनी कास्ट इफेक्टिव प्रोड्यूस अपनी प्रोडक्शन करते हैं मुर्गी की शक्ल में, बल्कि उसका अल्टीमेटली हमारे सार्फिन को और अवाम-उन-नास को फ़ायदा पहुँचता है कि उनको सस्ती खुराक गोश्त की शक्ल में और अंडे की शक्ल में मुहैया रहती है। इसके साथ साथ इस कांग्रेस में एक जो फ़ायदा हम उठाते हैं वो ये है कि इसकी जो पोल्ट्री की बीमारियां हैं ये इसकी रोकथाम और उसकी तदारुक के लिए नए नए जदीद तरीके जो दुनिया में अपनाए जा रहे हैं جو دنیا میں میڈیسنز کے لیے تیار کی جا رہی ہیں اس سے اپنے فارمرز کو آگاہ کر سکیں، ان کو اویئر کر سکیں تاکہ وہ بہتر پروڈکشن کر سکیں اور اس سلسلے میں جو کاسٹ افیکٹو جو معاملات ہیں وہ ان کے سامنے آ سکیں۔ یہ ایک معمول کی بات ہے کہ اس قسم کے فنکشن میں جب بھی ہمارے کچھ مہمان خصوصی آتے ہیں تو اس کے لیے ہماری خواہش ہوتی ہے کہ ان کے ذریعے اپنے مطالبات وہ پہنچائے جائیں سرکار کی خدمت میں، حکومت وقت کی خدمت میں، اور یہ بڑا خوبصورت موقع ہے۔ میں چونکہ پہلے آلریڈی یہ اپنے ایک مختصر میٹنگ میں ہم یہ گزارشات اقبال بختر صاحب کو تحریری شکل میں اور زبانی شکل میں پیش کر چکے ہیں، اس لیے میں بہت زیادہ وقت نہیں لینا چاہتا اور آپ سب کو خوش آمدید کہتا ہوں اور توقع کرتا ہوں کہ آپ اس کانفرنس میں شریک ہو کر اپنا بھرپور فائدہ اٹھانے کی کوشش کریں گے اور جو بھی لوگ معلومات یہاں شیئر ہوں گی آپ کے ساتھ اس کو اپنے فارمز پہ، اس پہ اپنی انڈسٹری کے اوپر اوور آل اس کو منطبق کرتے ہوئے بہتر رزلٹ حاصل کریں گے۔ بہت بہت شکریہ
committee for staging this at a short time. Today when I stand before you on this special occasion of the 11th National Poultry Congress, the horizon takes me some 28 years in retrospect, when as its founder chairman, I had envisaged a trade body which would have complete cohesion between all the aspects of poultry production, that is breeding, broiler farming, feed milling, egg production, and above all, research. In my perception of 28 years ago, I had envisaged that with the growing production volumes, disease investigation, control and research would gain paramount importance for poultry production to remain a profitable venture. I am fully satisfied that the Pakistan Poultry Association has now grown into a vibrant entity. Keeping in line with the guiding principles, Pakistan Poultry Association has always strived to tackle the problems of poultry farmers, interaction between poultry scientists, our strength, who are engaged at various levels, and Pakistan Poultry Association providing a platform to the people involved to share their wisdom, thoughts and experience. National Poultry Congress is one such gathering where members of the poultry industry assemble every year. On this occasion, I would suggest to the organizers, poultry scientists and participants of the National Poultry Congress to launch an all-out effort for the eradication of disease. A cohesive interaction between all three segments of poultry sector in all the provinces of the country, which will help achieve this task, enabling the sector to avoid upheavals and catastrophes like the 2004 bird flu, which caused unprecedented losses to the poultry farmers. Last but not the least, it must be recognized that when we address disease, we are in fact aiming at increased production at minimum cost. The profits and benefits are to be reaped by all the segments of the industry, that is breeding, feed milling, processing, marketing channels, and above all the broiler and egg producers, the backbone of the industry. And last but not the least, the benefits of the growing volumes and efficient production should continue to be passed on to the consumers. Today's prices of our end products are by no means considered a realistic price. We are all aware of the reasons. The farming industry went through serious problems for the past 2 years, which resulted into an acute shortage. A number of farms closed down, a number of breeding farms in fact closed down first, and ultimately a number of broiler farms closed down because they were not making enough profits. So this is a cyclic change, but I would urge all the breeding companies to enhance their production as rapidly as possible, because you will be losing a lot of customers to other supplementary food items if these prices continue. So I would urge the leaders of the industry to take the initiative, come forward and try to put back the lost production as rapidly as possible. Thank you. Thank you, sir.